Flyshark keyboard is the most portable Bluetooth folded keyboard with the most complete functions that I have ever seen. It's also the first keyboard which adopts Broadcom Corporation's Bluetooth smart chip. This full-size cap design is quite suitable to carry on. The hand feel of the keyboard is very nice too. It's stable to place on the table while typing. I like it very much.
Noise Eraser, Silenton. It's a sound transceiver that separates the noise and the voice, and it only delivers the voice vividly. Silenton is compatible with various earbuds and Bluetooth devices, so it can be used anytime, anywhere, in any noisy environment. It can also be used as the Bluetooth microphone. It's slim and detachable.
Hey, I'm getting that order ready. When is it gonna be shipped?
It goes out tonight. Please make sure everything is ready to go.
Communicate with only vivid voices, without noise. No noise, only vivid voice. Noise Eraser. Silenton.
Are you annoyed when your phone overheats while gaming? Meet the Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro, a portable phone cooler with a built-in battery. It uses thermoelectric cooler that allows mobile gamers to use their phones without overheating issues. Play your favorite power-consuming games anywhere you go. When fully functioning, the surface temperature of the phone can be reduced by 10 degrees Celsius. When it's not attached, the Direwolf Pro's surface temperature can go down to minimum 2 degrees Celsius. The Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro is designed to fit all popular smartphones, and it activates with just a single button. When fully charged, the battery can hold up to 63 minutes. You can easily charge your Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro with a USB Type-C cable. Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro is extremely easy to hold and feels comfortable whenever you use it. With effective rapid cooling of your phone, you can now fully focus on your gaming experience. Direwolf Phone Cooler Pro. Phone overheating days are over.
Meet Jonathan, owner of a regular roller bag. Now meet Scott, owner of the all-new SkyTrek Smart Luggage. Chapter 1. Packing. John's luggage uses a number lock with the code 129. Or was it 128? But with SkyTrek's fingerprint ID, Scott can get in and out of his bag with ease. Its built-in shelves and mini bags keep your things organized, while its zip-up compartments keep them from moving around. Plus, its spacious main compartment keeps your clothes securely fastened. It even comes with a garment hanger, all in a vertical design that lets you access it without laying it down. Chapter 2. Check-in. Keeping track of your bag can be tough when you're in a hurry. That's why SkyTrek will alert you if you stray too far from it. Once you're inside, SkyTrek helps you get to your gate faster. Its front pockets give you quick access to essentials, while its removable battery pack and front pocket get you through the security line quickly. Chapter 3. Your gate. Scott made it to his gate 40 minutes early. Good thing SkyTrek helps him make the most of it. Its flat design serves as a portable work desk that comes with a convenient phone charger. Flying isn't a hassle when you come prepared.
Hey, Bromeister, yo, can I borrow your charger, man? My phone's dead.
Sure, man.
And when it's time for takeoff, airplane mode turns on automatically. And when it's time to land, SkyTrek automatically turns it back off. Chapter 4. Baggage claim. A lost bag is a traveler's worst nightmare, but with SkyTrek's built-in GPS tracking, you always know where your bag is. This was a tale of two travelers, but only one has a happy ending. Smarter, safer, SkyTrek. Back us today and be one of the first to receive your very own. So, what happened to John? He missed his flight. And we have the exclusive interview only on SkyTrek TV.
We hear that you missed your flight today because you are still sporting what some may call yesterday's bag.
Broski, can I get some help with this? Come on, like SkyTrek can't be that great, right? Well, I mean, they call it like smart luggage. How smart can it be?
Smarter than you, perhaps. Thanks to its GPS, fingerprint lock, front pocket, and vertical opening.
Yo, you think I could get me one of those, bro?
No, this is mine.